Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this lab session I will do the lab exercise lab number 7, and this lab actually in the GNS 3. Okay, and in this lab we will configure implementation and configuration of MPLS. MPLS means multi protocol level switching, and in this lab actually we will do only two things. Our objective: enable MPLS in the router, okay, and verify MPLS implementation. So we have to enable MPLS in routers, and we will check whether it is enabled or not. Okay, so if you see, we have to take here 3 routers. So go in the GNS 3. You have already, I have opened in the GNS 3. So you have to take 3 router, 1, another router 2, and another router 3. Okay, now if you see this MPLS here diagram, we have using the serial cable. So we have to go for the connection here, then we have to select serial here 1 0. I will take 1 0, and there is some problem. Serial 1 0, 1 0 0, then 1, take 1 and 1 0. Okay, now because why this is coming, this is because in my computer there is a mouse problem, so it is very easy to make the connection. Okay, now after making the connection we have to on, so we have to click here start. Okay, now it is on. Okay, now go one by one router. Suppose this is the SP1, means you can change the name SP, or you can say router 1, no problem. So go router 1 and click right. Okay, then click console. Okay, now you have to wait, it is starting. Now we have come in the command prompt, then we have to, already it is enabled, just we have to type the same command, config terminal. Okay, then you can put the host name, just click right and enter, then interface you have to same copy paste this command. Okay, then copy the IP address, paste, enter, then go interface serial. You have to take care here, because this is the serial 0, so you have taken the 1, so we have to write 1. Okay, so what interface you are using, same interface you have to write. Okay, so please take care of there here. Just I am checking which interface it is. This is serial 1 0. Okay, we have to take serial 1 0. Okay, then we have to use same IP address. Then no shutdown, this IP address. No, set. Then router OSPF1. Now we have to enable. So here MPLS LDP. Here should be space, so please take care of. There should be space here. Okay. Now interface serial 0. So you have to, what we are using, we have to write same. I can change here. We have taken the serial 10. We have to delete this. Okay. Now MPLS IP. Okay. Now finish this configuration. Now come in the router to console. Click right and click console. Just we have to wait. It is starting. Okay, now it is okay. Now again config terminal. Write the host name is P2. And after this you have to copy paste command. Okay. Interface loopback 0. Then serial. So you have to take serial 10. Okay. 10. So please check here what you have, what you are using. Use same serial port. Okay. So please remember this. This IP address. Then no shutdown. Then another port here 11. Okay. So we have to use serial 11. And just copy this clock rate. Then no shutdown. Then router OSPF1. Then use this IP address. Now exit. Now MPLS LDP, here should be space, so you have to take care of MPLS LDP. Okay. Now just wait. Here you have to use 10. Same what you are using them. Then MPLS IP. Then another same, copy this command. One the serial 11. Okay. Then MPLS IP. Now we have finished router 2 also, the config. Now go in the router 3. click right and click console. Just wait to few seconds. Okay, now come the configuration terminal, then copy same thing here, command. Okay, interface loopback 0, then paste this IP address there here, enter serial 1, so you are using 11. Please, you have to remember this. Then no, shut down, then we have to use this 1. Okay, please, you have to know the serial port. Check your serial port when you are doing, so use the same. Then now shut down, then exit, then router OSPF, and then use this IP address, then exit, then use same here, put space L, sorry, just 1 minute. Here MPLS LDP. And then interface, one. You have to remember this thing, what you are using, the same you have to. Then MPLS IP. Okay, now we will verify. Go enable, we will check whether enable or not. Go in the router 1 interface and click here exit, right exit, again you can write the same command. Okay, now see it is enabled. Okay, while you are doing this is the enable, just enter, sorry, this should be space MPLS LDP. Okay, so if you the correct way, it is showing like this. Okay, peer to peer it should become like this, LDP. So local loop 10.10 and downstream, so it should become like this output. When you finish this lab and this send me this screenshot to me, then it means you have done the correct. So I hope that you have understand this lab. Thanks for watching this lab.